Now that we can identify our cards, we have to check if the dataset.framework from the first card and the second card are the same. If they are, we are going to remove the event listener from the cards to prevent them from being clicked again. And if it's not, we are going to then unflip the cards back to the original state. Okay? So let's add that condition. And if it's a match, we disable the event listener with remove event listener. So it works, you have to add the event and the function you called. To make sure they have been removed, let's add a log message here. Alright, they were correctly executed, and then when we click again, it won't fire because it's not going to the function anymore. And then if it's not a match, we'll unflip the cards. To do that, we're going to remove the flip class from the card. Okay, so the second card hasn't turned. So when we clicked the card, it has immediately removed the flip class, so we cannot even see it being flipped. What we have to do is to add a set timeout with a 1500 second delay, so there's enough time available for us to see the flipping.